In this video, we are making a cheesy potato and sausage crock-pot recipe. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is grab your crock pot and dump in a bag of frozen potatoes with onions and peppers. Then add in 2 chopped up kielbasa sausages. After your sausages, we will add 1 can of cream of chicken and 1 ranch packet. Then stir it all up before putting the lid on and let it cook on low for 4 to 6 hours until the potatoes are nice and tender. Once they are, remove the lid and add your favorite cheese. Then just put the lid back on for a few minutes until the cheese is melted. That's it, and now it's time to eat. If you enjoyed this video and would like more recipes, go check out our cooking playlist, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.